Sibukele sikubingelele sikwamukele sebenze ihora lokuqala emini lezi ndaba nizithulelwa unkosazana wakwaDambuza Magupa nazo ezinohlonze emini nje. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa kulindeleke ukuba ahlangane nomholi weDA uJohn Steenhuisen namhlanje ntambama njengoba kusanokuqagula ngekusasa lohulumeni wobumbano.
Fraud contributed the highest number of arrests with 224 accused, including 21 juristic persons.
Inhloko yophiko lwamaHawks uAdvocate Godfrey Lebeya wethula umbiko wesigamu sokugcina sonyaka wemali ka-2023 kuya ku-2024. uLebeya umemezele ukuthi baningi sebeshaqwa ngamaHawks ngamacala ahlobene nenkohlakalo kanye nokukhwabanisa. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa kulindeleke ukuba ahlangane nomholi weDA uJohn Steenhuisen namhlanje ntambama. Labaholi bazama ukubhunga ukuze bafinyelele esivumelwaneni malungana nokubunjwa kwahulumeni wobumbano. Amaqembu ahlukene kuleli sonto abexoxisana ngezimfuno zawo njengoba kungenwa kulohulumeni wehlandla lesikhombisa.
Lo mhlangano kulindeleke ukuthi ubanjwe nje umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ugxeke iDemocratic Alliance ngalokho akholwa ukuthi leli qembu licekela phansi isisekelo sezingxoxo okwasungulelwa phezu kwaso uhulumeni wobumbano kuzwelonke. iDemocratic Alliance ihlangane izolo ebusuku ukubheka ukuthi ingakuthatha yini lokho okubekwa yiANC etafuleni kuhulumeni wobumbano. Lokho kuza njengoba iANC izonika iDA izikhundla zongqongqoshe abayisithupha okubalwa kuzo nomnyango wohwebo nezimboni. Kepha-ke kuphinde kwavela ukuthi iANC ibuye yajika ngomzuzu wokugcina ngalomnyango nokuholela ekutheni izingxoxo zifinyelele kwanqengetshe ngalomnyango. Ungoti wezokuxhumana nenqubomgomo yezangaphandle eNyuvesi yaseGoli uthi kuyadumaza ukuthi izingxoxo phakathi kwe-ANC neDA seziphenduke zaba ngezikhundla zecabinet kunokufeza izimfuno zabavoti.
That at the end of the day it did come down to a jostling for positions. And by one party in particular, and I hold a particular view about this this so-called representation, and on the basis of who got what number of votes, the proportionality.
iDemocratic Alliance inqume ukuthi izoqhubeka nezingxoxo ezimalungana nokwakha uhulumeni wobumbano neANC nakuba kunokuphikisana ngezikhundla zecabinet.
Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa usebize umhlangano wesishayamthetho sikazwelonke kanye nomkhandlu obhekele izifundazwe mhla ziyi-18 ngenyanga ezayo ukuze kuvulwe iPhalamende ngokusemthethweni. Izwe lisalinde ukuphothula kwezingxoxo zokubumba uhulumeni wobumbano.
The President has called for the opening of Parliament to take place on Thursday, the 18th of July, as a platform for the President to outline the priorities of the 7th administration. The opening of Parliament on this day is a fitting tribute as it calls on individuals and communities to take time to reflect on Mandela's values and principles and to make a positive impact on communities and globally.
Undunankulu esifundazweni eGauteng uPanyaza Lesufu uthi usekulungela ukumemezela iCabinet yakhe. Uthi ulinde nje kuphothulwe ingxoxo zokwakha uhulumeni wobumbano kuzwelonke. Uqinisekise nokuthi sekuvunyelwene namanye amaqembu ezombusazwe ekwakheni iCabinet yakhe.
Lesufi uthi uhlu lwamagama eCabinet yakhe selumi ngomumo esifundazweni. Uthi ingxoxo ezingeni likazwelonke mayelana nohulumeni wobumbano yizona ibambezele ukuthi amemezele iCabinet yakhe. Uthi manje lezi ingxoxo seyiphothuliwe uzobe sememezela iCabinet yakhe.
There are a lot of misinformation that occurs when there are no MECs. You will recall last night we saw a memo that was issued by an HOD terminating employment contracts of some of our workers without consulting me or getting a go-ahead from myself because I'm the only executive authority that is available.
Lesufu thena kuba amanye amaqembu ezombusazwe ngasengavumelani ngohulumeni wobumbano esifundazweni abakufunayo akufanelanga kushaywe indiva njengoba benzela abavoti. Uthi nzima ukuphatha isifundazwe ngaphandle kweCabinet.
You will recall that we have employed not less than 160,000 people. So we wanted to get an idea where each and every contract, each and every group, each and every cohort, where they are and their contracts.
Abavoti baphelelwa isineke njengoba belindile.
All of them have got their own agendas. You want to mix with the other one has also got their own issues.
I don't think nothing will change. It will still be the same.
Abanye abavoti bazwakalise ukukhathazeka ngokuthi ukubambezeleka kokumenyezelwa kweCabinet eGauteng kungase kube nomthelelo ekubuseni. Bakhathazeke ngokuthi ngaphandle kweCabinet inhlelo zokuthatha izinqumo zingase ibambezeleke kuphinde kuphazamiseke nokuhlinzekwa kwezidingo nqangi.
Undunankulu wase-Northern Cape uDokotela Zamani Saul wehlise isibalo seminyango sisuka kwe-10 siya kwe-7 umemezela amagama eCabinet lakhe elisha eKimberley.
Bonke abamenyezelwe ezikhundleni zokwengamela eminyango eNorthern Cape abekho basha kulomsebenzi. Mithathu kuphela iminyango engazange iguqulwe noma ihlanganiswe neminye. Owezempilo, owezemfundo kanye nowezemisebenzi kahulumeni.
The reason why Department of Health should be a standalone department is based on our commitment to accelerate our work to improve the quality of public health in the province.
Uvenus Planis owayengamele umnyango obhekelele intsha abesifazane kanye nabaphila nokukhubazeka usaqokelwe eminyangweni wokuthuthukisa umphakathi nezokuvakasha. uPlanis uyena omncane kunabo bonke kuCabinet kanti uphinde abe ngosihlalo wophiko lwentsha lwe-ANC kulesifundazwe.
We got a very experienced and seasoned team of MECs, which I firmly believe that they are ready to hit the ground running.
Usaul osebenza ehlandleni lakhe lokugcina njengondunankulu uthi leminyaka emihlanu edlule ibe nezingqinamba nezifundo eziningi. Uyakholwa ukuthi leli hlandla uhulumeni wakhe uzokwenza izinto ngendlela ehlukile.
Inhloko yophiko lwamaHawks uAdvocate Godfrey Lebeya wethula umbiko wesigaba sokugcina sonyaka mali ka2023 kuya ku2024. uLebeya umemezele ukuthi baningi asebeshaqwa ngamaHawks ngamacala ahlobene kakhulu ngenkohlakalo kanye nokukhwabanisa.
Esithangamini nabezindaba ekseni namhlanje inhloko yamaHawks iqale ngokwendlalela ngohlobo lwamacala ehlukene obugebengu uphiko lwakhe obegxile kakhulu kuwo kusigaba sokugcina sonyaka mali u2023-2024.
These arrests have targeted persons involved in the commission of national priority offences, including serious corruption, serious organized crime, serious commercial crime, fraud, money laundering, police killings, cash in transit robberies, illegal mining, damage to essential infrastructure.
uAdvocate Lebeya uphinde wadalula ukuthi alikaboli necala lokubhubhudlwa kwemali yebhange iVBS eLimpopo njengoba besaqhubeka nokubopha labo abathintekayo ngokudliwa kwemali yaleli bhange.
A total number of 33 VBS arrests have been effected with a total of 3 already convicted. We are still working on the remaining 43 from the 76 suspects, some of whom were not identified during the initial Advocate Mutai's inquiry.
Umbiko owethulwe ngamaHawks ngamacala ukukhwabanisa nenkohlakalo uveze ukuthi isifundazwe iGauteng yisona esigubuzelwe kakhulu yilolu hlobo lwamacala.
Fraud contributed the highest number of arrests with 224 accused, including 21 juristic persons. Gauteng contributed most arrests, followed by the Northwest province.
Phakathi kwamanye amacala aphezulu aphenywa ngamaHawks ilawo aphathelene nokubulawa kwamaphoyisa esigamekweni lapho esuke edubulana khona nezelelesi.
Buke sisathi kuwe itolo kanti uMasikwesi uzophathela udaba oluthi.
Ugovernment wayezile apha wasithembisa bayikhona into sayifumana uzakwazi usihoya akunayo nomnye umuntu osihoyileyo apha.
Labo abasinda ngesikhathi kubhidlika isakhiwo eGeorge esifundazweni iWestern Cape ngenyanga edlule bathi isimo sabo sempilo sesibe sibi kakhulu kusukela kwenzeka lengozi. Sikubingelele sikwamukele uma ngabe usanda ngena odabeni oluphambili besibika ukuthi umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa kulindeleke ukuba ahlangane nomholi weDA uJohn Steenhuisen namhlanje ntambama njengoba kusanokuqagula ngekusasa lohulumeni wobumbano. Bukela sikhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba zikhona ku-YouTube na ku-SABC Plus. Ngena kuzo uzigcinga amagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzoyithola. Inhlangano iSteve Biko Foundation isiveza ukukhathazeka ngengxoxo eziqhubekayo zokwakha uhulumeni wehlandla lesikhombisa okubonakala zigxile ezikhundleni kunezidingo zezakhamuzi. Lokhu kuvezwe emhlanganweni wezinhlangano eziqanjwe ngezishoshovu zaseNingizimu Afrika. Zithi sekuyisikhathi sokuba izakhamuzi zibumbane zakhe umbono ocacile ngentando yabantu bakuleli.
Mhla zingama-26 kuNhlangulana ngo-1955 ngesikhathi kuqhubeka umzabalazo wenkululeko, i-ANC yabona kufanele ukuba iqhamuke nomhlahlandlela ocacile ngekusasa leNingizimu Afrika. Yamema nezakhamuzi zayo ukuba zibe yingxenye yalokhu. Lokhu kwaholela ekusungulweni kwe-Freedom Charter nokungumqulu ukhongolose owabhala kuwo izimfuno zabantu bakuleli ezweni elikhululekile.
This has presented an opportunity for citizens, for communities, and for everyone to review the past years and to focus on what has gone wrong and how that can be addressed.
Emva kweminyaka engama-30 yohulumeni wentando yabantu, sekunqenqwe izakhamuzi futhi ukuba zibe nombono ofanayo ozovikela intando yabantu njengoba sekunokukhathazeka ngesimo lelizwe elikuso.
We call on all citizens to engage in defining a clear vision and to establish a unifying program that inspires new national hope.
Inhlangano zikholwa ukuthi kudingeka ukungenelela okuphuthumayo okuhlanganisa zonke izakhamuzi kubanjwe izingxoxo zokubuyisa uzinzo kanye nobuqotho eNingizimu Afrika.
There is no message that has landed yet in our view that there is concern about things beyond power.
Lezi inhlangano zithemba ukuthi ukubanjwa kwezingxoxo kuzosiza ukuqhamuka nomhlahlandlela ozofezekisa izifiso zazo zonke izakhamuzi zakuleli.
Labo abasinda enhlekelele yokubhidlika kwesakhiwo eGeorge esifundazweni iWestern Cape ngenyanga edlule bathi isimo sesibe sibi kakhulu kusukela kwenzeka lengozi. Kwashona abantu abangama-34 kwabangama-62 ababesebenza kulesi sakhiwo ngesikhathi sibhidlika.
Uphando lwalenhlekele lusaqhuba logama ubomi bamaxhoba bomile. Uninzi lwabo ngabemi bangaphandle nekunzima ubuyela ekhaya ngenxa yokulahlekelwa zimpepha zokundwendwela.
Incedo imali vela kuthini khona ukuthi njengoma nihlele ningasitoka samthinga nihlala endleleni nithengise samthinga or amasweet or ayi.
Uluntu nosomashishini banikela ngemali engange-173,000 yeerandi neyayiqokelelwa ngumasipala waseGeorge. Kodwa lo mali ayikafikeleli kumaxhoba nanjengoko isebe lophuhliso loluntu kwiphondo lisafuna ukuphonononga izidingo zexhoba ngalinye. Emva koko kuza konyulwa umbutho ongekho ngaphantsi karhulumente ukwabela amaxhoba ngale mali. Amaxhoba athi awakaboni magosa aseburhulumenteni kwaye kunzima nofumana uncedo eziofisini.
The government have been being negative to any kind of help that we have asked.
Uvuyokazi Singama uthi sukela ukwehla kwalenhlekele abazange bafumane uncedo kubaqeshi.
Iibhosi zethu akunamntu sihoyileyo, ugovernment wayezile apha wasithembisa bayikhona into sayifumana uzakwazi usihoye.
Imibutho yasekuhlaleni iluthathile kulo uxanduva lokunceda amaxhoba.
Some of them need passports, some of them they need money to live.
La maxhoba athi adinga uncedo ukuze akwazi uqhubekeka ngobomi. Kwindaba ze-SABC ndingusiphiwe Wobasi eGeorge.
Izakhamuzi zasemaxesibeni e-Eastern Cape zinxusa uhulumeni ukuba abeke phambili ukuhlinzeka izidingo zomphakathi. Izakhamuzi zalapha zikhala kakhulu ngamanzi kanye nezindlu zomxhaso.
Ezi zindlu zokhiwa zashiwa zingagqitywanga kwiminyaka eli-12 yagqithayo. Abanye sele bazigqibezelela ukanti ezinye zisenjalo. Uluntu luthi umasipala wathi mabazigqibezelele ezi zindlu. Ukanti indlela ezingekho mgangathweni ngomnye umcelimngeni ojongene nale ndawo.
Izindlu zaqalwa ngo-2012 zafulelwayo zashiyeke zethu.
Sinzinyelwa kakhulu ke thina apha kangoba sisike sifele sigcine singasayanga edolophini oyile kuye kube nzima ukubuya esekhaya.
Sekulithuba engafumaneki amanzi acocekileyo. Lo mthombo usetyenziswa nasisikolo esikufutshane neklinik. Kuvakala ukuba umasipala iAlfred Nzo yaxelela le clinic ukuba amanzi mayowathenge.
Siphuza lamanzi nasesikolweni abantwana baze bazokhala amanzi ukwenzela bakuphuze netishana kulamanzi. Indaba etepu oko ndabuye eGoli itepu kuthiwa zephukile azisebenzi.
Umasipala waseMzimvubu uthi uceba ukuzigqibezela ezi zindlu nanjengoko zizobandakanyeka kwiphulo elilandelayo lokwakhiwa kwezindlu. Umasipala iAlfred Nzo khange ufumaneke kuphendula kumba wamanzi. Dungulwandile Mbulali eMagqisibeni.
Kubikwa ukuthi izakhamuzi zaseMelika zikhathazeke kakhulu ngeminyaka mengameli walela lizwe uJoe Biden. Lokhu kuzemva kokuthi kubonakala isimo sakhe sempilo singesihle neze ngesikhathi enenkulumo mpikiswano yokuqala nobe ngumengameli uDonald Trump.
We have never done so well. Everybody was amazed by it. Other countries were copying us. We got hit with COVID. And when we did, we spent the money necessary so we wouldn't end up in a Great Depression, the likes of which we had in 1929. By the time we finished, so we did a great job. We got a lot of credit for the economy, a lot of credit for the military, and no wars, and so many other things. Everything was rocking good.
I was recently in France for D-Day, and I spoke all about those heroes that died. I went to the World War II cemetery. World War I cemetery he refused to go to. He was standing with his 4-star general, and he told me, he said, I don't want to go in there because they're a bunch of losers and suckers. My son was not a loser, was not a sucker. You're the sucker. You're the loser.
Umethuli weindaba zesixhosa kwa-SABC uSiyavuya Snake uhlonishwe ngumnyango wezobuciko namasiko e-Eastern Cape ngokuqhakambisa ulimi lwesixhosa. USnake uhlonishelwe eNyuvesi Rhodes emakhanda e-Eastern Cape.
uSiyavuya Sineke waqala ukuba ngumsasazi ngonyaka 1993 njengomfundi weindaba zesixhosa ku-Radio Transkei eMpuma Koloni. Ngenxa yokuzinikezela kumsebenzi wakhe lokaSineke waze waqalasela abaphathi bakhe bamnika ithuba lokusasaza njengentatheli xeshikweni ukudityanisa uRadio Transkei nejelo sasazi SABC zange afumane isithuba kodwa oku zange kube phambi kwephupho lakhe lokuba ngumsasazi. Kungekudalanga waqashwa kwijelo SABC njengomfundi weindaba zesixhosa, umsebenzi asawubambe nangoku. Yaye udlala indima enkulu ekuphuhliseni ulwimi lwesixhosa.
Kukhulu xa ingabantu bakokwenu abathi siyabulela ikhona into yenzileyo. Xa ndibulisa ndidla ngokuthi inkosi mazole. Isicaka sizolile. Ndisisicaka. Ndisebenza njengenjoli.
uSineke ufumana eliwonga kanye ngethuba National Arts Festival ibhiyozi leminyaka 50 emakhanda. Lo mnyadalo unika imvumi, imbongi nababhali bencwadi ithuba lokubonakalisa umsebenzi wabo kwaye benze njalo.
Kumele uba sizidle ngolwimi lwethu lwesixhosa, abantwana sibaqeqeshe kangangoko kokuba mabalwazi ixabiso lolwimi lwesixhosa.
Into endivusayo kukuba unyana wami enominatiwe wazowongwa buhulumente base-Eastern Cape, uDepartment of Sport, Arts and Culture. Into ehistory kwifamily yethu, into esiqalayo ukudibana nayo.
Makube xhosa kubele.
Ndingulerato Fekisi kwindaba ze-SABC emakhanda.
Bukela umhlahlo wesimo sezulu uyalandela emva kwekhefu. Mbukeli sizibeka lapha ezehora lokuqala emini siyabuya futhi ngehora lesikhombisa. Umusa wenkosi ube nani nonke.